Greenland, the world's largest island, is a land of stark beauty and immense natural resources. Located in the North Atlantic Ocean, it is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. For centuries, Greenland has been intrinsically linked to Denmark, relying heavily on its economic support. Today, however, Greenland stands at a pivotal crossroads, grappling with a complex interplay of challenges and opportunities that will shape its future. Climate change is rapidly altering its environment, melting its vast ice sheet at an alarming rate and impacting the global climate. The pursuit of economic independence from Denmark is a topic of intense debate, raising questions about the viability of its traditional industries and the potential of new sectors like mining. While a 2009 referendum granted Greenland greater autonomy, the desire for full independence remains strong among many Greenlanders. Global powers, including the United States, China, and Russia, are increasingly interested in the Arctic region, recognizing its strategic importance and the potential economic benefits it holds. Greenland's vast mineral reserves, including rare earth elements crucial for modern technology, have made it a focal point of geopolitical maneuvering. The melting ice caps have also opened up new shipping routes, further intensifying international interest in the region. This confluence of factors presents both opportunities and risks for Greenland. As Greenland stands at this critical juncture, the decisions it makes today will have far-reaching implications for its people, the Arctic region, and the world. The question of independence is deeply intertwined with Greenland's history and identity. For centuries, Greenland has been under Danish rule, leaving a complex mark on the island. Denmark provides significant financial support, but many Greenlanders see it as a vestige of colonialism. The 2009 Self-Government Act granted Greenland control over domestic affairs, but stopped short of full independence. The independence debate is varied, with some advocating for swift transition, and others concerned about economic consequences. Public opinion polls show fluctuating support, reflecting the nuanced nature of the debate. The path towards independence, if chosen, will require careful planning and consensus building. Greenland's strategic location in the Arctic has made it a focal point of increasing geopolitical interest in recent years. The Arctic is undergoing rapid transformation due to climate change, opening up new shipping routes and making its vast natural resources more accessible. This has led to a renewed focus on the region by global powers, each seeking to advance their own strategic and economic interests. The United States, with its long-standing military presence in the Arctic, views Greenland as a vital partner in maintaining regional security and countering the growing influence of China and Russia. China, despite its geographic distance from the Arctic, has been actively expanding its footprint in the region, branding itself as a near-Arctic state. China's interests in Greenland are primarily economic, driven by its growing demand for natural resources and its desire to secure access to new shipping routes that could shorten transit times between Asia and Europe. Chinese companies have made significant investments in Greenland's mining sector, raising concerns among some Western governments about China's growing influence. Russia, with its extensive Arctic coastline and a history of military activity in the region, has also been bolstering its presence. Greenland's abundance of natural resources, including rare earth elements crucial for modern technologies, has further fueled geopolitical competition. Greenland's delicate balancing act requires careful navigation of the competing interests of global powers, while safeguarding its own autonomy and pursuing its own development goals. Greenland's economy relies heavily on fishing, tourism, and subsidies from Denmark. Fishing is crucial, but dependence on it makes the economy vulnerable. Tourism faces challenges due to Greenland's remoteness and short season. Danish subsidies support essential services but fuel independence debates. Greenland has untapped mineral resources, attracting global interest. Mining could boost the economy but poses environmental risks. Balancing development with sustainability is crucial for Greenland's future. Responsible investment is key to unlocking Greenland's potential. Greenland is on the front lines of climate change, experiencing its impacts more rapidly and acutely than many other parts of the world. The island is home to the Greenland ice sheet, the second largest ice body in the world after Antarctica. which holds enough water to raise global sea levels by over 20 feet if it were to melt entirely. Climate change is causing the ice sheet to melt at an accelerating rate, contributing significantly to rising sea levels and threatening coastal communities worldwide. The melting ice sheet is also releasing vast quantities of fresh water into the ocean, altering ocean currents and impacting marine ecosystems. The consequences of climate change are already being felt in Greenland. Coastal erosion is threatening homes and infrastructure, while thawing permafrost is damaging buildings and roads. Changes in sea ice patterns are impacting traditional hunting and fishing practices, affecting livelihoods and food security. The melting ice is also revealing new opportunities, particularly in mining and resource extraction. As the ice recedes, previously inaccessible mineral deposits are becoming more accessible, potentially leading to an increase in mining activities. Greenland's government has made climate change a top priority, recognizing the existential threat it poses to the island and its people. Addressing the challenges of climate change and protecting Greenland's fragile environment will require a concerted global effort. Greenland society is undergoing a period of rapid social and cultural change, driven by modernization, globalization, and the challenges posed by climate change. The majority of Greenland's population is Inuit, with a rich cultural heritage intrinsically linked to the land and sea. Preserving this unique cultural identity amidst the pressures of modernization is a key priority for Greenland. Traditional knowledge and practices, passed down through generations, remain an integral part of Inuit culture, but they are facing increasing pressure from outside influences. The influx of Western culture, through media, technology, and tourism, has led to a blending of traditions, creating both opportunities and challenges for cultural preservation. One of the most pressing social issues facing Greenland is its declining population. Emigration, particularly among young people seeking better education and employment opportunities, has led to a shrinking workforce and concerns about the long-term sustainability of Greenland's communities. Addressing this demographic challenge is crucial for Greenland's future, and it will require creating a more attractive environment for young people with improved education and employment prospects, affordable housing, and a strong sense of community. Urbanization is another significant trend shaping Greenlandic society. Balancing the needs of a growing urban population with the preservation of traditional lifestyles and the cultural heritage of smaller settlements is a delicate task. Greenland's government faces the complex task of navigating a path towards a more sustainable and prosperous future, while addressing the challenges of climate change, economic dependence, and social change. The government operates under a parliamentary system with a democratically elected parliament, known as the Inatsisartut, responsible for making laws and overseeing the government. The government is headed by a prime minister, typically the leader of the majority party in parliament. One of the key challenges facing Greenland's government is diversifying the economy and reducing its dependence on Danish subsidies. This will require attracting foreign investment, developing new industries, and creating a more favorable business environment. Greenland has significant potential in renewable energy, mining, and tourism, but developing these sectors responsibly and sustainably is crucial. Another key challenge is addressing the impacts of climate change, which are already being felt across Greenland. The government has developed a national climate change strategy that outlines plans for adaptation and mitigation, but implementing these plans will require significant investment and international cooperation. Investing in education and skills training is crucial to prepare the workforce for the challenges and opportunities of the future. Improving Greenland's infrastructure, including transportation, energy, and communications, is essential to attract investment, support economic growth, and improve the quality of life for its citizens. Regardless of the path chosen, Greenland's future will be shaped by its ability to navigate the complex challenges and opportunities of the 21st century, balancing economic development with environmental sustainability, preserving its unique cultural heritage, and ensuring a prosperous and equitable future for all its people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And check out our other videos to learn more about Greenland and its journey through these transformative times.